Yeah, so I'm recording this Zoom meeting. Okay, so so I don't want to get record, so it just keeps silent. I'm sorry. I'm talking. Okay, so if you want to work on the homework, okay, you can open the homework first, right? And then you can duplicate this to open the video. Okay. So yeah, I will skip the chapter 1. Okay, so I want to continue with the chapter 2, lesson 1. Okay. Did anyone have a chance to watch the video or not?
Not yet.
Okay. So how many people here? 5? Okay. So let me. Okay, I will start from the top. Okay. So I will let Asia watch lesson 1. Okay. And then Kayla watch lesson 2. Okay. And then Kim
Okay.
lesson 3. Okay. And Lafonse lesson 4, and then Vanessa lesson 5. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you can start. Okay, I give you how many minutes here? Do you think 15 minutes is enough, or 10 minutes?
I think 15.
15. Okay.
Dr. Sam,
Yes.
can we just watch all the videos on our own?
Excuse me.
Can we watch all the videos on our own instead of each person one?
Oh, which one?
For this unit 2, chapter 2.
Okay. Chapter 2. Which one that is wrong?
No, she's just asking, like, instead of a different person watching every lesson, like if we could just watch them on our own, each and every one.
Oh, okay. I mean, the
It's just
problem.
I'm logged in on my phone right now because my computer doesn't have battery and it's charging. So
Oh.
I'm on so I cannot like do the Zoom and watch it at the same time right now because I'm on my phone.
Okay. Okay. So, so you playing soccer?
Yes, we play soccer.
I said the soccer ball. Beside your name.
Oh.
Okay. So you number 1, right? Or number 2?
I was number 2.
Okay. Okay, so you want to have like everyone watch lesson 1 now?
Is this considered the homework? Because
Yes.
is it like the last time? We can't do it like that?
Yes. So the same it will be the same thing as the last time. So you need to watch the video and then you need to answer the question. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me pull up the question. Yeah.
Sorry, what did you say?
It should be the same thing as the first chapter. Okay. So you need to watch the video and then answer the question here.
Okay, I get it.
Okay. So let me open the question. Okay. Okay, langsung di foto dashboard. Okay, yeah. Can you see it?
Yes, we can see.
Okay. Okay, I will let you watch lesson 1. Okay.
Okay.
You can see here, open this for the homework, and then I'll make a duplicate to open the video. Okay. Mix. Okay, so make sure you get ready with the note. Okay, so you can see what you are watching here. Okay, I mean you can take note what you are watching here. Okay.
Oh, so we're all about to do this together.
Yes, you need to do it at the same time. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So while you open the homework and also you open the video, so you don't need to go back and forth. Right? Okay.
Dr. Sam,
Yes.
I cannot open the homework right now at the same time because I am on Zoom on my phone.
Oh,
Me
okay.
too.
Okay.
So since my computer doesn't have battery,
Yeah, you can take a note.
I-
Right? You can take a note from
okay.
what I'm doing here, but you can continue with the rest, right? For tomorrow, for tonight, and for tomorrow. Right?
Yes, as soon as my computer has battery, I can do it.
Okay. So, so as you can see from the video here, the question is, what's the video for lesson 1, right? Okay. What concept did you watch in the video? Explain and give at least one example for each concept. Okay. So, so you can see here the video is explain of how many concepts here about hypothesis, right? About conclusion, and then what is conditional statement, right? Then converse, inverse, contrapositive, and yeah, I think that's all right. Okay, let me see. Okay, contrapositive and logical equivalent. Okay. So in your answer, you need to write this one. What is hypothesis? Hypothesis, right? So you can see hypothesis is the condition necessary to reach a conclusion. Okay. Okay. So and then the answer, I mean the example will be this one. Yeah. Okay. M not less than A equal to 15 degrees. Okay. So, Okay, so so far you need to explain what is hypothesis, right? What is conclusion, and this is example, right? Okay. And then for the conditional statement, you need to explain this one here. I mean, you need to write this definition here. Okay. And then you need to write the example, okay, in your answer here. Okay. So the first concept is hypothesis, right? And you need to explain what is hypothesis, what is the example, okay? And then the second concept is conclusion. So what is conclusion? And then give you the example. And then the third one is the concept about conditional statement, a logical if-then statement that has two distinct parts, right? If hypothesis, then conclusion. Okay. So this is the example. And the next one will be okay. So so you can use the same definition, and also you can use the same example for your answer here for question number one. Okay. Okay. And maybe it's even better if you put how to write symbolically, right? To give you the example how to write symbolically. Okay. I think you can see here is this is easier to remember using the symbol, right? So like for example, like contrapositive, oh, contrapositive is not Q, then not P, right? Rather than remembering the example like this, right? So is it better? Is it easier to remember the definition using the symbol? Okay. Any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what? So the next one will be the last one, right? So how many you already have? Hypothesis, conclusion, uh, conditional statement, and then converse, inverse, and contrapositive. And now the last concept will be this one, right? Logically equivalent pairs. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so you can see you have how many concepts you have? Yeah, so you have a hypothesis, conclusion, right? And then conditional statement, converse, inverse, contrapositive, and logical equivalence pair, logically equivalent pairs. Right? So that's the one that you need to put in to answer here for lesson one. Okay. So not only just put the name, but also you need to explain what is it. Okay, what are they? Okay. So like this is hypothesis, right? So you need to put what is hypothesis and what is the example. Okay, and even better you can put the symbolical, right? Okay. So there are make sure you put the concept name and also you explain it. Okay, and give you the example. Okay. So maybe I need to give you what do you call it? I forgot the name. criteria, or in order to get full credit, you need to explain about the definition, give you the example, follow your concept. Okay, that is explained in the video here. Okay? So if you miss some of this component, so you cannot get full credit. Okay. Yeah, I forgot to mention this before. I don't know, maybe I need to increase this point. Based on how many concept that is explained in the video. So if you miss one of this concept, automatically you will lose the point, right? So maybe I need to put like how many topic that is discussed in the lesson, and then that will be the point. Okay. For example, like you put the definition, but you didn't put the example. So I will subtract this by like 0.5, something like that. Okay? Because if you put 1 point for one topic or one concept, so if you miss the example, so you got subtract for the point for the example. Right? Okay. Yeah, I think I need to change that one. Okay. I mean the criteria. Yeah. So any questions upon?
No, sir.
Yeah. So so you know how to answer it, right? So you can type it here. But the problem is you have to draw a picture. You need to upload the picture here. So you need to create. You need to save the picture somewhere from website or something like that, and then save it, and then you can upload it here using this tool here. Okay. You can see that. Okay. So yeah, so we still have time, like how many minutes here? 23 minutes, right? So we just use half of the time, right? Okay. So maybe you can continue with the next lesson. So the next lesson will be lesson 2, right? So be conditional and definition. Yeah, I think it's clear, right? Okay. We just skip the other thing. Oh, sorry. Yeah, okay. So instead of if, so in the middle here, you could put if only if, okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, let me know if you want to stop, okay? So what is saying? So what is saying? If a figure has 4 right angle, then it is square. This is true or false? Can you really give the counter example before I continue with this one? You know, a rectangle is also have for right angle, right? But that's not square, right? Okay, so this will be the counter example. Okay. Yeah, so for lesson 2, what did you see? He's talking about the biconditional and definition, right? So you need to explain that, okay? And give you the example. You can use the same example like in the video, okay? Or you can create your own example. But to be easy for you, I think you can take the example from the video, okay? So there are two concepts here with biconditional and definition. Okay, so yeah, it's for this chapter, I think we only have like 5 questions. Okay. So for this week is like you don't have so many lessons that you need to watch again. Okay, I think I picked the wrong answer. I don't know what this is. I put that, is it only 5, right? I think I picked the wrong question. Yeah. Sorry, I picked the wrong question. It should be 5. I think I picked the wrong question. Yeah, I should pick chapter 2. Okay, so okay, hold on. Yeah, you can see chapter 2 only 5 lesson. Okay. So for this week, it's easier for you. Okay. So maybe you can kind of take a break, okay, maybe, or you want to move on. You can, after you finish chapter 2, you can move on to chapter 3. Okay. Yeah, some of the students did in the past, like, and they can finish like, I think they can finish around the midterm time for the whole, for the whole, for the whole unit. Okay. Okay. So do you have any question?
No.
Okay. So yeah, so now we only have like 12 minutes, right? Okay. Yeah, for this week you only have 5 questions. Okay. I mean, not 5 questions, but 5 lessons. Okay. Yeah, 5 lessons and 5 questions. Okay. But actually the question is has many solutions. Okay. Because it depends on how many topics or how many concepts that is discussed in the video.